Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. So right now I have come to our terrace to spend some time before it's dark. So it's about 6 p.m. in the evening and the sun has already set, and I thought let's create a YouTube video. That is why I opened my camera and started speaking. This is also going to be a random video. So you can see the color of the sky. The sun has already set, so only the sky is kind of yellowish color right now. So how are you? Tell me in the comment section how are you all doing, and how is the weather in your area, and from where you are watching my video. Okay, so today I want to share one thing, that is, like, if you are learning English, then you have to stop thinking about others' opinion. This is the main thing. Like, before starting learning English, you have to set your mindset that I would not think about other opinion while speaking English, while learning English. Like, there will be many people, they will come and say you don't need to learn English, there is no need to learn and speak English, but you should not listen them. Okay, you should always keep this in your mind, that I need to learn English and I don't want to listen to anyone, anybody, and I will not think about what others think about me if I make mistakes, if I say something wrong. Okay, so made up this mindset first, then start learning English, and then you will be able to speak English and you will feel confident. Like, there are many learners, because of this reason, because of the others opinion of them, they are not able to speak English. Even I was that kind of person. Like, it's been long time. Like, I learned English in 2020 when lockdown was going on. That time I learned basic English. Okay, and then it took long time, more than 3 years, to realize that I, like, need to stop thinking about others opinion, and I need to open my mouth and I need to speak. Like, last 1.5 year almost, I am trying to connect with others. Still I was not consistent, still I was so much confused. I used to think about others opinion and all, but now last 5 to 6 months, I am not thinking about what other people will think about me. Like, if I think this thing for all my life, then I will never be able to speak English. So it took long time to realize this. So that is why I am telling you, you should learn from my mistakes. Okay, the mistake I made, you should not make that mistake. So you should learn from my mistake. That is why I am here, that is why I am making this video, to make you realize that if you are learning English, then from the day one, whatever you learn, try to speak every single day. Okay, try to connect with others. And nowadays there are many applications are available. You can practice with strangers to those applications. And if you are a complete beginner, then first start learning English from the scratch. It means from basic, from basic grammar. Okay, grammar, there are many YouTuber, you must be hearing this, that many people out there, they say grammar is not important. I agree, I quite agree that, but it is important for us, for those who like like, for kind of us, like those who don't have English environment. Like, I don't have English environment, that's why I need to learn English grammar first. So those who have English environment, they don't need to learn grammar, they can learn by listening. But for those who don't have English environment, they need to learn basic grammar. Okay, grammar is the fundamental of English. So, sorry, foundation of English learning. So those who belong to who comes from English, Bengali medium or Hindi medium, they need to learn basic grammar, so that at least make so that they can frame sentence correctly. So to make sentence correctly, it is very important to know basic grammar, tenses, modal verbs, how to use like tenses in a sentence, how to use the uses of modal verbs. Everyone should know as a beginner. These are the main things. You have to learn these things, okay? Otherwise you cannot make sentence correctly. You cannot express your thoughts properly. So for that you need to learn grammar, in my opinion. And if you have English environment, then there is no need, you can just learn English by listening. Okay, or like those who have English environment, they are very lucky. But for those who don't have English environment like me, they need to learn grammar. So I learned basic grammar, then I started making sentences. I learned how to frame a sentence correctly, and that is how gradually I improved my English. These days I can at least make normal conversation, at least I can speak in front of camera. So day by day I am improving, and I'm feeling proud of myself. And it is going to be 20k subscribers on my channel. So last few days I got so many love and support from you. I'm totally grateful and totally overwhelmed by your love and support. So keep supporting me and keep watching my videos, keep motivating me every single day, so that I stay motivated all the time. Like last more than 3 to 4 months I was not consistent, because I was literally confused. Like I was confused about what kind of video I should make. It's been like long time I have been making tutorial type of videos, but if I cannot show my face, then there is no need to make this kind of video, because I am an English learner and I need to speak. Okay, I need to convey my thoughts, and then I will feel proud of myself, right? So just making tutorial type of video won't like was feel I was just making tutorial type of video, that's why I was so much confused. Like even I was confused like what to say. If I make videos by showing face, what to say? And for that reason I was confused. But now I realized like I can say whatever in my mind, whatever comes to my mind, I can just speak and I can just share with you. So that's how I started my that's how I again started making videos by showing face, and this is how it is going. You are watching my videos, right? So it is almost evening time, and still my hair is wet, because I oiled my hair last night and today I didn't wash with shampoo, so that's why my hair is still wet. Okay, don't worry, don't focus on that, just listen what I'm saying. So what I said, if you are learning English, just don't fear and don't stay silent because of the other opinions. Okay, this is the foremost thing, because I made this mistake. I thought lot about others opinion, and that's why it took a lot time to open up, and it took long time to share my opinions. So you should not do the same mistake. So I hope this video helps. It is almost 9 minutes I'm speaking. So now I'm going to end this video, and if you are still watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Bye.